Hi, welcome to the Venda Chef channel. My name is Funzo. So today we're going to be making some pancakes. They're basic, but they're tasty, wonderful, and fluffy, and they're very easy to make. It will only take you a few minutes to make this. So come with me and let's go make them. Using a large bowl, mix all your dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, mix in all your wet ingredients. And mix in your wet and your dry mixtures into one bowl. Don't overmix, you still want the lumpiness. Grease your pan with either butter, oil, or cooking oil in your mixture using a 1/3 measurement cup. If you want a different size, just use a different size measuring cup. There you have it, folks. Fluffy, yummy pancakes. Thanks guys for watching my video. Please subscribe and follow me on my social media platforms. They are going to all be linked in the description box down below. Thanks for watching again. Till next time, the Venda Chef signing off.